That's our Super for the Wall Street Journal. Here is the AM edition of What's News, the top headlines and business stories moving your world today.
И на каждом этапе достаточно нажать кнопочку, чтобы ни на какую орбиту корабль не вышел. Даже быть Костя дураком, но он ведь сейчас высший.
Oh? Huh.
Ну, записали на камеру.
T771401.
What the fuck is you recording us for?
Because you're driving like a maniac.
Give a fuck, bitch. You want some fucking I was worried about that before. Okay.
Hey everyone, just another Tesla here. I just wanted to show a video. My car was not accident, so I'm going to show you dash cam footage to show you how it happened. So I'm going down the lane of the highway following this Chrysler when it starts to slow down and stop. So my Model 3 had to slow down and stop right here. So right here, the video is paused exactly at where my car came to a complete stop. I didn't slide, I did not hit the car in front of me, and some of you may be wondering why I didn't move over to the right or left lane because it looks empty in this view. But once I unpause the video, you will see me get rear-ended by the van behind me and cars going by on the left and the right lane. So I was literally boxed in and there was nowhere for my car to go but to stop in its lane. Yeah, so right there is the impact, cars on left and right. So it seems like that Jeep slowed down and stopped, which caused the Chrysler to stop, which caused me to stop. And here you can see a video of the back camera footage. We can see the van just hit right into my car and did not stop on time. I just want to replay the footage without pausing so you can see in real time me getting hit and how stable a Tesla is because despite the van hitting me, my car stays still. I didn't even tap the Chrysler in front of me, which kept this from becoming a much worse accident. So here are some still photos from the accident. You can see that the airbags went off in the van, but it did not go off in my Tesla since the impact was only in the back. Both of us were able to walk away, which is the most important part, I would say. The other driver admitted fault, so their insurance will be covering this. My car is currently at a Tesla center. The mechanic said the body damage doesn't look too bad since the damage is mostly concentrated on the trunk and the rear bumper. But the biggest headache is that if this car isn't worth repairing and is a total loss, which I'm really hoping that it isn't, since I have full self-driving purchased on this vehicle and without the full self-driving transfer option being available and Tesla's ending full self-driving purchase in a few weeks, I need to know what's the best option. So the insurance already has inspected the car and they're working on the numbers to see if it's fixable or a total loss. So if any of you have ever dealt with a Tesla total loss, specifically involving full self-driving, please drop a comment below because I really know what's the best way to handle this with the adjusters to make sure I don't lose full self-driving. Thanks for watching this. I'll keep you updated on the next one.